Alright, I am filming. As you can see, Friday I was talking about snowstorm and possible rain. Well, it was snow. At my house, probably about 4 inches. It looks a little less here. I'm going south, heading towards Milford from my house, so it's a little less here. Supposedly now tomorrow, I've heard this morning when I watched it, they were saying blizzard like, definitely more than 6 inches, and somebody told me possibly 2 foot more. I don't really want that. And of course it's going to start sometime in the afternoon, is what they're saying, and go through the night, which the last storm we had that was like that, I learned my lesson. I stayed up till probably 11 doing the driveway, going out every other hour or so, and the next morning I got up to snow that was over the snow blower. I actually had to get the first cut. It was, you know, you go a couple inches and wait, go a couple inches and wait until you got a first cut, and then you start edging out from there. I really don't want to have to do that again. I think this time I might have to stay up overnight. And of course, where I work, they don't plow at all. The landlord, for some reason, doesn't feel that it's his job, and the boss, for some reason, doesn't care. So everyone's at risk walking into it, because once it snows, then you drive the cars on it and it turns to a sheet of ice. So if we do get the storm, it's just going to be a whole lot of fun the rest of the week. I spent the morning taking a tree limb trimmer, you know, the ones with the blade that you got the rope attached to and all that, and I took that head off of it, and I actually made a snow rake for myself to try to clear some of the roof once it does come. And I'm kind of waiting until late afternoon, because I got to clear some snow away from the house of what's now out, so that I can get in there if we do get that kind of snow, and use the blowers to clear it out. I should have done it yesterday when the snow was still soft, but we got it pretty cold last night and everything turned to ice. Figured I'd get out on the bike for a little while today, because it's probably not going to be till late this week I could get back out. And then it gets real dangerous because of what the plows do with the snow, and they pile it up the way they do. It makes you a lot less visible. also had a question to anybody out there on subframe bolts. Watching a couple videos of the people, and they're changing them and everything, and my question to anybody that might know out there is, should I be concerned about doing the one? I've got the SW Motec crash bars, which replaces the 2 bolts on the upper part of the frame. Should I be concerned about those? Should I do the drill through that they're saying? And if so, does anybody know the size, the length, just so I save me some time of measurements of what you need there with the SW's Motec crash bars. The backs, I went to Lowe's yesterday to find those bolts, and they don't have them. I think they're 5/16 20, if I measured correctly, and they don't carry them at Lowe's. I went online for Home Depot, and they didn't have them either. They don't seem to carry them. So I'm thinking Fastenal. I've got a local one by me, so I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do, is hit up Fastenal for them. Other than that, I don't think there's much else going on. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to end it here because this is extremely boring.